eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ejikwa Chineke ụgwọ, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Eji Chineke ụgwọ, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Eji Chineke ụgwọ, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Eji Chineke ụgwọ ekele, eji Chineke ije ozi ọma. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Eji Chineke ige ozi ọma, eji Chineke ịrụ ọrụ ọma. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Eji Chineke ụgwọ, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Eji Chineke ụgwọ, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ihe ọma niile ọ na-emere m, eji Chineke ụgwọ. Ọrụ ọma niile ọ na-arụrụ m, eji Chineke ụgwọ.
E get one big secret wey dey inside Holy Book wey make Bible leave all the big names like professor and tortoise keeper and come call the pastors shepherd, the sheep keeper, and we wey be members suppose dey do mumu like sheep. Hear this one: heaven dey far from any member wey turn from sheep to tortoise. Some armed robbers dey read their Bible well pass we wey be Christians. Hands up! If you move, I shoot. How many of you here dey pay una tithe and help the poor people? And one Nsukka bros wey dey inside that bus said, "Akwụmeleke m nke mụ, tene enyemegoro ụmụ ogbenye aka, ana m akwụma tithe na-help ma the poor." Fine, you help the poor, others go pay their own tithe here. Since you take strong head, refuse pay inside church. If you get spiritual eyes, you go see that any 10% wey we chop from God in Haggai chapter 1 verse 6 no be breakthrough, na break bag. Proverb monkey swear say no go stop chop chuku grass, then the monkey mouth no go stop comot blood. Many non-Christian no dey pay tithe, but dem dey prosper. Very correct, but you don make mistake come become Christian. Bros, you dey tear money parcel spray for wedding. Please remember the poor and the needy. Widows, in James chapter 1 verse 27, Luke 12:23. E dey sweet well. Anytime I say take and another person go say thank you for ordinary cup of water, you can tell me that rope no dey fit chicken neck. E dey correct, country dey hard, but start somewhere, help somebody. Your hand now. Thief people thief money from one little girl early pali in the morning, tear race. Chai, I look finish for the face of that girl where they thief their money, where they cry. I can't ask myself how God and angel face go dey for the thief where we dey give our tithe and no dey help poor people. Hands where they give, they top always. Giving no dey make the purse empty. I pity heaven accountancy. Oh boy, remove that your hand, because old proverbs say, now only person wey hold bad thing with dey tell make you keep am. Sometimes I sit one corner for church, dey watch these people, how they rush miracle for pastor hand when pastor come ask for miracle of belle. They go say Old Testament, but their own miracle na New Testament. Wetin be money? Na exam where everybody small and great dey fail well for God's scheme of work. I dey ask money, this heaven where they hungry me, fit allow me enter. I no believe you be funny man. We chop in 200 naira tithe money, follow the pursue a boy of God wey thief 5 naira from market. Hold on. Who better pass? Angels are recording. Akoi para isuke sata a chicken church kai para woni. Inside which bag? Na God's bag where we put our hands koro. If hunter dog open him mouth and talk where he put that mouth, kill grass cutter, some of us could stop chop bush meat. But after the marathon race, we go count mile. With this financial breakthrough, you come church for Thanksgiving with this sick local fowl. Konima wey first and Papa born first born. Your age mates, some of them dey mortuary. Those who don't make am, help the poor. And don't forget your pastors and priests, especially those wey dey inside village dey suffer, so that they will join us lick finger pium, because Nehemiah 13 verse 10 to 12, pastors and priests carry their big padlock, lock church, bichikom, carry their cutlass and farm tools, put head inside bush. Man must work and belefu. That was the end of the church.
Ejikwa Chineke imi yoma nino na-emere m eji m Chineke ụgwọ.